right, boys and girls, so this is your assignment that you're supposed to be working on during XLT. And what I thought I would do is I would help get you started on this side so that you're able to finish both sides easily. So when I look at this, I see very quickly that I have a number line here. And that number line has been divided into 6 equal parts. And so I'm going to go ahead and number these off. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 6, 9, 6, 10, 6, 11, 6, and 12, 6. And then when I look at this part of my number line, it's now been divided into 3 equal parts between each hole. So here is my number 0, here is my whole number 1, and here is my whole number 2. So between the number 0 and the number 1, I have these equal parts. And so we can think about this as 1/3, 2/3, and of course 3/3 is going to give you that 1 whole. I'm going to go back up here and just fill in these pieces. Okay, so these are identical. Now that I have 4/3, I have to think about, well, what is the improper fraction for that? So an improper fraction for that would be 1 and 1/3. If I go to 5/3, then what is that that mixed equivalent? That mixed equivalent would be 1 and 2/3. And of course, if I have 6/3, then I have the whole number 2. Right? And so it looks like we're doing the same thing for 6's. So our 6's were at the top and we wrote them in order. But now we're going to find those equivalents down here. So we have 0, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, and 1 whole. And so an equivalent for 7, 6 is 1 and 1, 6. An equivalent for 8, 6 is 1 and 2, 6. And so an equivalent for 9, 6 would be 1 and 3, 6. An equivalent for 10, 6 would be 1 and 4, 6. 1 and 5, 6 would be 11, 6. And then 12, 6 would just give you that whole number 2. So hopefully, boys and girls, by doing this number line together and seeing how we are relating these pieces together, you'll be able to turn it over and do the other side. The other side is not broken down into thirds and sixths. It's now broken down into fourths and eighths. So I'm going to let you go ahead and try that on your own.